hope she gets this Coca-Cola.
Let's go.
She got the...
Nice.
Guys, here's some statues. Boom, boom.
It's Happy Factor. I really wanted Happy Factor.
Okay.
And then let's open my clip now.
Open the clip.
While opening the clip, here's some ASMR.
This.
It's poison.
So cute. So cute. Mom, look at my new gift. It's a package of a Labubu. Diba, Nicolette, you gave it to me?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's so nice.
so lucky.
And then,
This.
let's open
Can I eat this?
Ako ay ano,
Ako nga.
active
Sorry.
That's the secret. Yeah, that's the
T-shirt.
secret one, guys. Ah, I'm so lucky I get the secret one. The one, Nicolette. Look. Okay, let's
How will
open
you
it.
open it?
Don't worry. We need a...
Stop, and then that's it na.
Okay, ready, Nicolette?
Yeah.
Is it?
Oh my god, I see the...
This is the owner of me.
Oh,
Joke, it's Nicolette. I was
this is
just
the
kidding.
owner of me.
Wow!
Kasya sa tao.
Wait, can I try?
Okay,
Pwede for the person.
too big. That's mine. I think it will fit mine.
Malaki ba sa mukha mo?
It's not compared to... How do you...
Hey, I'm ready.
So we only put it in a box?
No,
You can remove it.
we don't have the right tools.
Yeah. Okay.
Toasted.
I love
Tapos
it.
isang sizzling toast.
Spoiler alert. Okay. Okay,
yung
ready?
for all.
And three. Okay, and three,
One cup na
two.
lang.
Close your eyes.
One.
Oh,
two,
open.
lima
Oh my
lang.
God.
Hindi ka naglalay.
yes.
Oh my God,
Lima
I
lang.
love Jesus. Oh my God. Oh my God, guys, this is the best.
Daddy!
What? Wow, it looks nice.
We're from China.
From Taiwan, that's from Taiwan.
We're
Ikaw,
from
Tess.
Taiwan. Okay. When she's gonna give me this for my birthday, she's
Yung
like,
tofu.
"Will you marry me?"
Huh?
And then she'll have a labubu in it. The
Saan daw yung
monster.
drinks?
I love it. Thank you for the PR package labubu. So here's some prickly juice. So we got this labubu one.
We're not halfway done.
For what? Oh no.
We're still waiting to show the big one.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
I'm opening it.
What's your drink, Nicolette?
I love it.
Ah, so it's just like this. Coach, this is the card. The big one has became.
That's ano ba the big?
Oh. eyes. 3, 2, 1. Hey.
The eye.
Okay, so it flips eyes like
Oh,
Expression.
it makes it
So
okay.
hard.
Like that.
hard. Just 4.
But like, you can put this on your phone.
That's mine.
Yung ganito.
That's mine. And then let's put the glass.
This, lagay mo na mas.
That's my phone. This should be in my phone.
Sorry.
So wow, it's giving nerds.
Actually,
Hello, ladies.
it's a worker.
Hello. It's trying to say something. Hello, ladies.
Let's see if it's real. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
It's real.
It's real.
It has if okay.
Are you happy now?
Happy.
Happy ka na?
Oh wow, you kissed it.
You can...
It's like your boyfriend.
Hey.
Yeah, you know, this is like the dream outfit for my boyfriend. Like this.
What are you saying?
And then he should have a glasses, you know, to give
Yeah.
out the
Yeah.
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 Mahirap naman yung ginawa niya. Yung ginawa niya mahirap.
Okay, wow. Just wow. Oops.
Bibilan ko na lang siyang origami.
Baby girl has a good day.
Ayun.
Okay.
Origami.
Hey. So, biggest one comes to an end.
This is my first one.
And this is my first one. It doesn't make eyes. No, it doesn't roll eyes. Joking, guys. It's both of hers, and then mine is just this claw clip for both of them.
This is yours?
Yeah.
This one's yours.
I got the secret one.
It's a crab.
Yeah.
It's me.
You're a crab. Yeah, because you're underwater. Look at your shirt.
Cancer. Kazakhstan.
So yeah, I got the
Diba, I have
secret
a
one. I'm so
crab
excited.
Yeah, but also your shirt.
Okay na. End ko na.
Yeah.
Okay, bye guys.
Bye.
See you soon.
Bye.
Close it.
Bye.
Bye.